Let's go for the toss now.
Tails. Tail is the call.
Tails is the call.
And it's tail. Darbhanga.
Darbhanga have won the toss. Babul Kumar, फाइनल का मुकाबला क्या करना चाहेंगे आप और क्यों?
सर आई वुड लाइक टू बोल फर्स्ट क्योंकि हमारी टीम चेजिंग में अच्छा कर रही है और हम चाहेंगे कि पहले बॉलिंग करें.
Thank you, Perry. I think the captain took a leaf from your book. You said if you were captain, you would win the toss and bowl first, and that's exactly what Darbhanga has done. And on the other hand, Patna captain said he would definitely bat first. So it's win-win for everybody.
Yeah. Why did we have the toss? We should have got it done. Now, this is the starting lineup: is Babul Kumar, Bipin Saurav. They become very dangerous. Okay, this is what they are playing for. These two gentlemen, Shubhir Banerjee and Sanjeev Tiwari, are the two officials in the centre. And the third umpire is always going to play a very, very crucial role. Out come the Darbhanga Diamonds. They won the toss. They've decided to field first. That's exactly what they did yesterday in the semi-final. And they were rock solid. But each day is not the same in life and in sport.
Oh, yes, but this trophy is definitely beautiful. The supporters are there. This is Yellow Army of Patna Pilots, and Patna Pilots qualified for the semi-finals with some difficulty. Okay, watching it live on Eurosport, live and exclusive on Eurosport. 86 not out against Angika Avengers and scored 48 yesterday in the semi-final. Okay, the first ball of the final of the BCL.
Quietly played. You can understand the pressure. You can understand the nerves. You've been watched on national television. This is the big final.
So a left arm spin from the second over and being welcomed by Sakibul with this mistimed but a productive shot. First boundary of the final.
No scorebook ever mentions whether there was a drop catch, whether there's a mistimed shot. All they write is what you score. All they write is the wicket you take. So whenever this will be looked back in history and the scorebook would say he scored a boundary there. So runs should come. How they come, it doesn't matter. Okay, so the boundary would release pressure. Sakibul will feel a lot better about himself. Again, one more time, and this has gone further. Add a 6 to the 4. 10 from the first two. Ton.
Okay, if we feel that 4 was mistimed, this was much better shot. Nicely timed, better result. Okay, this was the previous 4, not greatly timed. But he says, okay, Mr. Commentators, if you think I cannot time the ball, what about that 6?
All right, what does it do? Do they change the field placement, or has the captain said to him, okay, you alter your length, I'll not change the field. They still have a slip, they still have a point, covers. Yeah. Well bowled, better line. I still feel Sunil, he should take the long off back. Long on should be mid on and deep mid wicket. That should be a best field for him. Because if he goes to play across the line, now long on should be up there. Tries to make room up in the air. Where's it gone? They can only watch it, sail it. Well done. This is humongous. Patna are really piloting around.
And all you viewers should tie your seatbelts, fasten your seatbelts, because pilots are actually flying really high. And this is Sakibul Ghani on fire. 4, 6 and a 6 in the 4 balls of the second over. All the scoring so far. 18 of 9 deliveries.
Oh yes. Makes room again, goes again, scores again, out of here! Look at that! Oh, they're making merry! And he's dealing with a cherry.
Sakibul Ghani, he is on fire. Grills the bowler and thrills the audience.
Oh, they get the flame only when players perform well. So we know he's got the talent. Now Cheeky, everything is turning little goal. Wicket number 1. Just as we say it, look what it does. Don't do that, lad. What the bowler did to the batsman there, we just do not stand by it. That is not advisable. Stay away from it.
So that is that worry for them. Sakibul thought everything is going his way, so he can try anything. Sakibul, when everything is coming your way, make sure you're not in the wrong traffic lane because you have lost your wicket. And look at those aggressions.
They still do have a chance because 140 means that the Darbhanga Diamonds would be chasing just a little above 7 runs per over. That's the scoring card for you. Shakib Ul Ghani 25, Mangal Mehroor 31, Sraman Negro 25, and towards the end, Mohit Kumar with a nice rearguard effort of 23.
This was the second over of the innings. Shakib Ul Ghani going after Imtiaz Alam, picked up 17 runs in that over, and then this is how he perished, playing it behind. And then the second wicket. The breaks were put by Arnav Kishore, picked up 3 wickets. Vijay Bharati, Sachin Rathore and Mangal Mehroor. There was some big hitting in the middle, but not enough. There you see another catch going straight to the fielder. This one pouched by Babul Kumar without any problems. A 6, but this was pouched at the Milonga fence, leg before, and then the furniture disturbed. Good bowling, good comeback by Darbhanga Diamonds, and all they allowed Patna Pilots is 140 for 8.
Yes, brilliant bowling by the Darbhanga Diamonds bowlers. The duo of Shabir Khan and Vipul Krishna is the most successful, two of the most successful in the competition. Vipul Krishna now 9 wickets at number 2. And number 3 rather, and Shabir the highest wicket taker with 11 wickets. Patna Pilots versus Darbhanga Diamonds. It's the big final, and Darbhanga Diamonds to win the inaugural BCL would need 141 in their allotted 20 overs. We'll be back very soon.
This is how the innings panned out.
Yes, it looked as if Bipin Saurabh again would just take it away from the Patna Pilots. And with him, his new batting partner Vikrant. But then Mohit had other ideas, trapped him leg before wicket. Then this wicket going across, and then Patna Pilots were surely in the game. But as I said, it was a game of cat and mouse. Babul Kumar got going, but then there was a wicket. It was the hat-trick man who picked up that important wicket, and then Babul Kumar getting out really set the cat amongst the pigeons over there. The total of 140 would never be too much, and that is what was exhibited towards the end. Late effort by the bowlers. Samar Kadri there picking an important wicket. Mohit also picking up the important wicket of Kundan. But towards the end, 140 would always be a total far too low. And Shabir, who was the highest wicket taker of the tournament, in a fitting way, hitting the winning runs. And thus, Darbhanga Diamonds becoming the champions of Bihar. That's the bowling card. Only Mohit Kumar and Himanshu Singh tried to pull things back for the Patna Pilots, but it was a little too late for them.
So good performance there from Mohit Kumar, but in the end it was not good enough to hand them the title. They did have opportunities. Unfortunately, a couple of errors in the field cost them the title in the 19th over. So this is how the final panned out in the end. Darbhanga won the toss, asked Patna to bat. Patna could post a modest 140 for 8, and Darbhanga, after a few hiccups, chased it down with an over to spare and won the match by 3 wickets. And we join now Paramjit Sehrawat for the presentation.
ये गगन छोटा पड़ जाए तेरी उड़ान ऐसी हो, ये चमन सारा खिल जाए तेरी महक ऐसी हो, सबसे अलग सबसे जुदा तेरी पहचान हो. And that is the identity that Bihar Cricket League has made for itself. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap for a very successful tournament right here, because this has captured hearts and imaginations across the country. My name is Paramjit Sehrawat, and BCA and Elite Sports would like to thank Skipper Pipes. Those are the sponsors. Skipper Pipes, ACC Cement, HDFC Bank, Bihar Tourism, IDBI Bank, Canara Bank, Axis Bank, and Reuben Hospital. I would now like to take the pleasure in introducing to you a very, very elite presentation party here.